Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri kidney beans and turnip or Gogji the Razma. This is a winter comfort food and a staple dish in almost every Kashmir household in chilly Kashmiri winters, especially Chilekala. Razma or kidney beans are universally loved by people and they are host of nutritional benefits. For making this comfort food, I have taken 2 cups of Razma or kidney beans that I'm going to soak in water. Soaking in water helps it to cook faster and it's good for digestion also. You can soak it overnight or at least 3-4 hours ahead of cooking. And I have taken around 6 to 7 turnips or Gogji that I have sliced like this. You can see I have sliced them into 4. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, a few garlic cloves, and whole spices that include 2 black cardamoms, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, salt 2 teaspoons or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and kidney beans that I had soaked, here you can see, and oil around 3 to 4 tablespoons, and around 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So here I start with cooking Rajma first, or kidney beans. I have taken them in cooker and I'm adding extra water, and I'm adding whole spices, green cardamom, black cardamom and cinnamon stick, garlic cloves, salt. I'm adding half of the turmeric powder, and I will cook it up to around 8 whistles. Meanwhile, I have heated up oil and I'm going to add shallots or prawn to it. I'll fry them. If you don't have shallots or prawn that I have not shown you earlier, you can use onions. You can use 1 onion. So here you can see I'll fry it. This gives a very good flavor, and for any Kashmiri cuisine, prawn gives a very good flavor. So once this prawn or shallots is fried, so I'll be adding sliced turnips or Gogji to it, or as you call it, shalgam. Here the flame is between medium to high. Then I'll let turnips fry on both the sides, and then I'll be adding spices. Now here you can see they are almost done. They are fried on both the sides. So at this stage I'll be adding spices to it. So this will be a tadka or tempering for the dal. So I'm adding cumin seeds, coriander powder, fennel seed powder, turmeric and chili powder. We'll give it a good mix. And here now I have kept low heat, and then I'm going to add wur or spice cake. This is an optional. If you don't have, you can skip it. And in any dish you can adjust salt and chilies according to your taste. And wur we don't have to add directly, we have to mix it with water and then add. So here you can see, and then I'm adding water. So here I'm adding salt also. I will let it boil for a few minutes and then I'll add this to dal. Meanwhile, I'll check on the dal also. Dal is done. I have opened the lid. Now here is the dal. It's soft also. So I will mash it a little bit just on sides, not whole of the dal. As you can see, just a few scoops I'm taking on side and mash it. It helps in thickening the dal. So now I'll be adding this tadka of turnips, and I will cook it again up to 2 whistles. That's the maximum that we have to cook it now, or else the turnips will become too soft or mushy. 2 whistles I have opened the lid, and here you can see. Now again I have kept it on heat. I have kept it on high flame, and I will let it boil for some time till the gravy thickens. And you can adjust salt here also, and you can check the gravy consistency also and adjust according to your taste. So here you can see that I'll show you the thickness of the gravy, and you can adjust it according to your taste. So here you can see Gogji and Razma is ready. You can see the consistency of dal also, and once it's slightly cold it will thicken more. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame, and it's ready to be served. Razma is a filling meal and it's eaten with rice. It tastes best with rice, and I have paired it with Kashmiri munjhak pickle. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.